Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're comparing Webull versus TradeZero to help you decide which trading platform suits your needs. Whether you're an active trader or just starting out, this breakdown will give you a clear perspective. 1. Trading fees and commissions. Webull offers commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options, making it a great choice for cost-conscious investors. TradeZero, on the other hand, provides free trades for limit orders but charges for market orders and certain advanced features. 2. Platform and tools. Webull is known for its sleek mobile and desktop platforms, featuring advanced charting tools, indicators, and real-time data. TradeZero, while also providing a robust trading experience, focuses more on active traders with features like direct market access and short selling tools. 3. Short selling. TradeZero stands out for short selling, offering extensive locates and lower cost borrows for traders focused on this strategy. Webull does provide short selling, but with fewer locate options compared to TradeZero. Not 4. Account minimums and accessibility. Webull has no minimum deposit requirement, making it accessible to beginners. TradeZero requires a minimum deposit of $250 for its US platform and $500 for international users. 5. Customer support and availability. Webull provides customer support via chat and email, but response times can vary. TradeZero offers live chat and phone support, which can be more helpful for urgent trading needs. Both platforms have their strengths. Webull is ideal for commission-free trading and a user-friendly experience, while TradeZero is better suited for active traders who need short-selling advantages. Which platform do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. See you in the next one.